Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Anyways, here are the keywords that you want to go after, okay? So, classified, top secret type of font going on here. What's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? Ike Pause here. Today, I got a brand new, extremely hot niche to share with you. I'm going to show you how to create this book. Plus, you're going to want to watch until the very end because there's some things that this is definitely a great niche, but there are some keywords you cannot go after. I'm going to give you the alternatives to go after. Plus, I got a question for you at the very end. Let me know if you can answer it or not. Okay, so let me scale myself down. If you didn't know, if you're an Amazon KDP publisher and you didn't know, this book right here is blowing up. The Killer Isn't Alice. This is kind of a whodunit type of logic deduction puzzle book that's exploding on Amazon KDP. And I'm going to show you the types of keywords that you should go after when pursuing this market. Okay. Now, first and foremost, this is important. Please listen carefully. Do not add The Killer Isn't Alice in your title, in your subtitle. Don't add it in the description. And more importantly, and some other people on YouTube might tell you that it's okay to put it in your back-end keyword slots. These back-end keyword slots, do not add that there, okay? Don't even add it in your ads, okay? If you're going to do ads, which I recommend, if you have a hot-selling book, regardless of the market, you always want to double down and do Amazon ads. Amazon ads. But anyways, never, ever add someone else's copyright, trademark, title in your listing anywhere. I don't care if it's your back end 7 slots, if it's your front end title or subtitle. Do not add this particular one. You don't want to do it. You might get that traffic, but Amazon's gonna sooner or later they're gonna shut you down. Not only your listing, but your whole account. They don't play. Okay, so here are the keywords you want to go after. Right? First off, you can say the killer isn't someone else. The killer is make sure it's not a title that someone else is already using. I already saw the killer isn't Eleanor. I think I saw the killer isn't Teddy. Don't use the ones that are being used right now, but you can create your own, right? The killer isn't Akiko, for example, if you're going with a Japanese name or something. Anyways, here are the keywords that you want to go after, okay? So check this out. By the way, this is a free tool shelf, 100% free. What other sites charge you a subscription for, we give it away. I can't speak today. We give it away for free. Okay, now check this out. Murder mystery puzzle book. Look at the keyword volume here, okay? You definitely want to add this within your 7 slots, your back-end slots, within your subtitle, and perhaps within your title, okay? And another one here, Armchair Detective. This is also a big one. Check this out. Boom. Okay, Armchair Detective books, Armchair Detective gifts, Armchair Detective puzzle book. It's another big one. Find the Killer is not so big, but it's worth looking at. Find the Killer books for kids. Find the Killer books. Okay. Crime solving activity book. This is not that big, but it's also crime solving book. I think it's that one here. Let's wait. There you go. Crime solving book for adults. Another one worth adding to your 7 slots. Murder mystery. Let me see. Crime solving. Whodunit. Here's another one. Really important one. Whodunit book. And you want to spell it like this. Whodunit. Let me expand that for you. Whodunit, like that. Okay. So these are the keywords you want to go after. So basically, this is a huge market on Amazon KDP. It was published this year in February, and again, it's a new market. Right. Really important. Okay. Now, how to create a book like this? Well, me and my buddy, Luke Bowles, we have Kuro Nazo. Now, Kuro Nazo is Japanese for dark mystery. And this tool creates all types of whodunit, armchair detective, deduction logic puzzle books that you can make real quickly here and sell on Amazon KDP. So first off, I'm going to make several videos around this tool. But first off, I want to go over what you get in the sidebar here that helps you out to create these books. Number one, you have a good amount of different languages you can go after. You got your trim size, all your available trim sizes. Okay. Now here you have your difficulty settings: easy, medium, hard, insane, and nightmare. Let's go with, let's keep it at medium. We have classic and dossier. Now, dossier is your, like, think of your James Bond FBI scenario where an agent is handed a certain amount of documents that pinpoints that goes over a case that the agent has to solve, right? Your dossier, right? And then we have classic, right? I'm going to keep it at classic, but I'm going to toggle between these two and show you what they have. So if I go to dossier here, we got confolk, we got all types of mystery types, murder on the express, your Agatha Christie type of books, the Abbey, newsroom. We have, my nearsightedness, the embassy, Derby Day, the boarding school. Okay, now let's go to classic here. We got find the killer, find the thief, find the spy, find the traitor, find the imposter, find the saboteur, the poisoner, and so forth. Okay. Then we have make the culprit. I'm gonna keep it at classic. Find the killer, name the culprit. What's a cool name for a villain? We'll call him Faust. Okay. Kids mode, no. Let's seasonal if you want, right? Twist and ciphers. We always want that, right? Liar. So none. Straightforward deduction. No. Let's do a liar's clue. Okay. Okay. Again, this is so detailed. There's so much you can do with this. So many types of mystery puzzle books, true crime, deduction puzzle books you can create with this, right? All really cool stuff. Let's go with print solution at the back. Yes. Book title. Can't read here. A murder in Shinjuku. Okay, a murder in Shinjuku. Author. Again, when it comes to being an author on Amazon KDP, I recommend you have one pseudonym for each niche that you're in. So if I'm going to enter the true crime, this isn't true crime, this is the whodunit puzzle book market, I'm going to give myself a whodunit puzzle book name. Pseudonym, make sure it's not something that's already pre-existing on Amazon KDP. Make sure it's unique to you. So don't call yourself Clancy or something, right? You want to give yourself a different name, a new name. Let's call myself. Let's go with the Bob Tadashi. Bob Tadashi. That's cool. Cases per book. Let's go with generate. And we also have more AI integrate. If you're an Elite Kai member, you will have access to the AI storyline and the one-click KuroNazo book plus cover. Okay, which does it all for you. Just sit back, basically. But let's go with this. Let's click generate puzzle. Okay. And it's going to generate my puzzle, right? Very simple. Okay. Now it's kind of like a coffee cream color. You can make it white, of course, if you wish. And yeah, it looks, like a document, right? Look at the font. It's beautiful. It's very much like that, classified, top secret type of font going on here. And I know it looks weird, just names and names and names that go on forever, but that's the name. That's the style of this puzzle book. You have all these names, and you have these hard rules that will help you start deducing and eliminating these names until you get to the killer, until you get to the person who committed the crime, right? So that's how this works. That's how this puzzle type works. And again, we have all types of different puzzles within the whodunit type of genre in here, okay? So that's it for this video. Now, before I go, let me know in high school if you read The Hound of Baskerville. And of course, the protagonist is what's his face, Sherlock Holmes. What did you think of it? I know I did. We had to. I enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts down below. And if you didn't, say I didn't read this in high school. Instead, I read XYZ. If you read any type of like mystery, whodunit type of book in high school or in elementary school, let me know down, or in university, let me know down below. I'm curious to know. Okay, that's how I know that you've watched it up to this point. Anyways, be good. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll come out with more videos about KuroNazo in the very near future. Okay, be good. Take care and talk to you soon.